Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you the different formats and types of information you can find in the databases. Right now, I'm in opposing viewpoints, and I'm looking at the category of electric and hybrid electric vehicles and cars. So this has its own page of information. So if I scroll down, this is like the introductory article, but if I scroll down, I have other types of information here. So I'll just quickly go over each format. So featured viewpoints. Viewpoints means it's an opinion, hopefully an opinion based on factual information. So they've chosen a few that they would like us to see. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. And here are 7 featured viewpoint articles. Okay, if I scroll down, you can see each one of them. All right. Now I can go right back up here. I don't have to skip back to the page before. So if I want to see all the viewpoints, I can click on viewpoints and there should be 18 of them. You can see this number here indicates how many are there. Okay, so here are all 18 that they have listed under this category or this topic. Now I can sort by the newest first. Right now it's by relevance, meaning how close to my search or my topic are these articles. Okay, but I want to see the newest one first. So the newest article in this section is from 2016. Okay, so that's something to make sure you look at when you're looking at articles. See how recent they are. You may want something that's only in the last year or two. Okay, can go back up here again, and here's reference. So reference articles come from encyclopedias and other more academic sources. I always tell students, if you don't know much about your topic, say you're assigned a topic to do research on, but you don't really know much about it, go to the reference section first. Okay, you can see that this is from GALE Opposing Viewpoints online collection. The next one's from Environmental Encyclopedia, Environmental Science in Context. So these are good basic background information on this topic. So let's just look at one quick. Okay. It has a table of contents over here on the right. Okay, so there's a history, engineering and function, how they work, what's the impact on the environment, and how much do they cost. Okay, so that's nice. Not all articles have this table of contents, but many of them do. So you want to look over here on the right. Okay, here's some fast facts, which is also nice. Again, not every article has that, but some of them do. Okay, now I am going to have to click back to the listing of the reference articles to find those categories at the top. Okay, infographics. So those are they usually have some type of statistical information in them. So I'm going to click on that. And let's just choose the first one. Okay. It's taking a minute to load it. All right. So it's a graph. And we can see different information in a more visual format. Okay. And I am going to go back to the main category page and scroll down again. Here's statistics. So this is really nice. These categories here of the types of information is really nice. So you may need statistics. Maybe your teacher wants you to find 2 different statistics to support your research project. So you can skip right to statistics. And we'll click on the first one again. And here again, it gives us a nice graph of information. Lots of information here. Okay. And we'll go back to the main page again. Scroll down. So there are images. So you're still, even if you use an image from this database, you would still cite your source. And I'm going to click on this one to show you how to do that. Okay, so here's the image enlarged. In order to cite it, I would go up here where it says cite on the top right, click on this, okay, and select the text and copy and paste into my bibliography. Okay, because you didn't take the photo, you do have to cite your source for that. Okay, but there are a lot of nice images here. So if you're doing some kind of visual presentation, images are always nice. There's video, audio. Let's look at the audio. Okay, so these might be, it looks to me like from Morning Edition, NPR Environment, Morning Edition again, All Things Considered. So these would be news programs, so different news programs that you can listen to on the radio. All right, and let's just click on this to see what it looks like. And it has a play audio button, so you can listen to it right here. Okay, let's go back to that main page again. And video would be the same, similar as audio. There's magazines, newspapers, academic journals. Academic journals, oftentimes they have to be what's called peer reviewed. So the articles have to be looked at by people's colleagues, a researcher's colleague, to verify the information. Okay, so academic journals are usually pretty high level, but that doesn't mean you can't use them or look at them. Okay, you can see the reading level is a little bit higher by looking at this red square. Okay, and lastly, our websites. So Opposing Viewpoints, GALE and Context has chosen some websites that they think might be good if you're doing research, okay, on this topic. So let's just click on green car reports and see where it takes us. Okay. It gives us a little synopsis of what the website is about, and then here's the link right here. And it's asking us if we want to go outside of GALE to another website. So the other website isn't controlled by GALE, but I do want to go to it, so I'm going to click continue. And let's see what it has here. Okay, so there's a lot more information here too. So if you're looking to buy a car, you can use this database, and this might help you figure out what the choices are and whether it's a good option for you. So that's another nice thing about the database is you don't necessarily have to be doing a project for school. It can help you in your everyday life. Okay, so that is just a short explanation of all the different categories and types of information that you can find in the databases.